First of all, let's create a group email in Outlook Web. So go to your browser and open Outlook Web, sign into your account. Now in this left-hand menu, hover over on these groups icon and click on that. And here you will find all of your existing groups. To create a brand new group, click on New Group and type the group name and write a description for the group and click on Create. And now go ahead and add members to your groups. You can enter member name or email address to add and click on Add. And now here, as you can see, my group successfully created. Now click on the group and you can edit the group from here. So click on this pencil icon and you'll be able to rename the group. You can change group email address here. You can also change group description, and from here you can delete the group and click on Save. You can also select a profile photo for the group by clicking on this icon. So click on Upload a photo, and from your computer go ahead and select a profile photo for the group. Click on Save. And now here select emails, and under email here you will find all emails for the specific group email. Go to Files, and here you will find all attachments in the group email. Go to Events, and here you'll find all events for the group, and go to Members, and here you will find group all members. And now click on Send Email, and here we can see the Compose window open. Now write here your subject message and send the email from this group. So that's how we can create a group email in Outlook from web. And now let's see the process for Outlook app. So on your computer, launch the Outlook. And here, all you have to need, click on this people icon. And here, click on new contact. Click on new group. And all you have to need, write here your group name and click on add members. Select any options to add members to your group. Once the group created, click on Save to save changes. So this is how we can create groups in Outlook. Thanks for watching.